The last stick control variation is called advanced stick control with filler, and oh boy, is it fun. So in this particular one, we have the check, normal, what we just did. All right, cool. But then after every single line is a triplet variation. So triplet, 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 right, right, left. So this is Swiss sticking. And then you fill in that. And then you go on through each one of the patterns. We even have a second page that has the other variations on there. So this one is super fun. It's one of my favorite stick control variations to play. So let's do this.